This is the multi-tool pen. So let's see here. So it comes with some instructions here on how to use the different tools. But as you can see here, we've got ourselves the pen, the multi-tool pen here. Comes with 2 ink refills and 3 extra batteries. Comes with this here gift box. This tool has 9 features: metric and imperial ruler, bubble leveler that has a super bright LED light, bottle opener, has a stylus top, flathead and Phillips screwdriver, and ballpoint pen. This is a great gift for anyone in your life for Christmas, Father's Day, birthdays, or anniversaries.